Well, welcome to this combined UK drug testing and value med product demonstration video for the new 3-drug combination test, which screens liquids, powders and surfaces for 3 of the incredibly common rave or party recreational drugs out there currently: cocaine, ketamine and ecstasy. Now, the beauty of this test panel is that it can be used on liquids, so you can screen vapes and other liquids that you find. You can make solutions of powders that you wish to test to identify if they contain any of those 3 drugs, but you can also do a surface wipe. So let's demonstrate the product for you. Got one here. You'll see inside the foil we have this multi-drug test panel cassette. You've got the abbreviations for the 3 drugs in these columns here, with indicative examples of positive and negative results. The cover can be withdrawn, and that shows these 3 prongs, which you can then use to either swab a surface as such. They don't have to be wet before a surface is wiped, or they can be dipped directly into a test solution or fluid. And when you are using them in dry powders or using them as surface swab tests, once you've completed your swabbing, you then dip them into tap water. It doesn't have to be special liquid or fluids, just cold, normal tap water can be used. You want it to a depth of around 5 millimeters, just under a centimeter, and just dip the 3 prongs into the liquid that you're testing or into the tap water to get them to run. And what you can see starting to occur there is the pink dye flowing up these membranes through the test line area and the control line area. And at this stage you can cover the prongs by placing them back within the cover, lay it on a flat surface. And in all negative results, you can read this as early as 2 to 3 minutes. You can already see I've got test lines forming on this surface wipe and liquid test that I'm running. I'm just waiting now for the control lines to show and prove that adequate liquid has been added to run all 3 of those tests. There we go. As quickly as 1.5 to 2 minutes, I've got an all negative test result here. But you would wait for between 5 and 10 minutes for a positive test to form, and you would allow that to develop over a time. Start a timer on your smartwatch or phone for 10 minutes, and if there is no test line showing in the presence of a control line, it indicates that one of these 3 drugs has been detected at above the cutoff level for the test. Now, this is set at an incredibly sensitive level. The first 3 letters on the panel are the drug abbreviation, and the numbers behind it are the cutoffs in nanograms. So you can see that this particular surface liquid and powder test is screening for cocaine at 300 nanograms, ketamine at 1000 nanograms, and MDMA, which is ecstasy, at 500 nanograms. I hope you agree that they're incredibly easy to use, can be used on liquids, powders or surfaces to do a drug screen for the suspicion of or detection of any of those 3 drug groups, and they give beautifully clear positive or negative results very, very rapidly. So they are available from the UK drug testing and value med websites. We'll pop a link below in this video description taking you directly through to our listing for this particular product. We have a complete and comprehensive range of modern surface wipe, powder and liquid detection tests available on that website, which should give you the ability to screen for the drug that you are suspecting and wish to determine whether it's present or not in your local environment. Thank you for watching. Please follow the link for further details, information and availability.